Today we're going to bring a toilet rail. This is a safety rail. So if you're getting older, if you're having problems getting up, you're having bad knees, or you have leg issues, you need stabilization in your bathroom, this is a perfect rail. So we're going to put it together and show you how simple it is to put together, and then we're going to test it out. Let's put it together. So open it up, take out these plastics, and all you got to do is set up the legs, all right? These are the actual clips that clip on to the actual system. Optional, they got these suction cups, all right? That if you want this not to be movable, you could actually have an area where you could suck in the actual tile and it stays in place. These screw on either to the front or to the back. So when you bring it in here, look at this. How simple it is to put together here. Adjust the height however you want, anywhere. And this thing's never going to hit the back too much, because this thing go all the way to the back here. You can put rubber ends here, stickers, or any kind of adhesive, and there you go. And then when you sit down, you can grab yourself from here, pick yourself up, adjust the height however you want. If it's too low, you can raise it higher. But you're coming in here, it's like a walker pretty much. Sit on it slowly, and then all you got to do is pick your own weight up. Use your hand. For guests, you can just take it out, fold it, and it fits pretty much anywhere, or you could hang it and put it inside. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.